Okay, go ahead and tell me about it.
So what I did is I built this whole entire crane, and then I screwed on the bottom this and on the bottom this. So, okay, stop, please.
Well, you made the crane first by following the directions, but then the next part you weren't following any directions. It was just your imagination, right?
Right. Hey, please stop.
Peyton, hang on, honey. Let Caleb talk.
And what it does, it's like you don't have to use this anymore. The cool thing is it's electrical.
And that's the part you figured out on your own, right?
Right.
Very cool.
I do it now. And this right here makes it turn.
Awesome.
And it makes it turn. And it will pop and on it.
Is your brother really good at building?
Yeah.
Yeah.